If a dog loses its whiskers, the objects around it might seem to disappear, and even familiar rooms would feel as if they changed, which could make the dog scared and confused. You see, dog whiskers aren't just hair, they're actually super sensitive feelers, and each one is connected to a network of nerves at its root. This helps the dog sense movements in the air and even the shape of objects. Now, dogs normally lose a whisker here and there, but losing all of them at once would be like losing another sense.